Good morning. We have a scheduled three-week conference for civil works today, July 12, 2024, for the following projects: 23 GA 0214, 24 GA 0117, 24 GA 0085, 24 GA 0141, 24 GA 0160, 24 GA 0066, 24 GA 0063, 24 GA 0138, and 24 GA 0145. Before we start our review, let us first have our prayer.
Lord, thank you for this wonderful time as we gather in your name, as we gather our David conference. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to see that to achieve our creating us, O Lord, the desire to be more dedicated and committed to our duties and responsibilities. Teach us to be more responsive to the demands of integrity in public service. This we ask through your Son, Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen.
For their determination of quorum, let me call on Mr. Viejo.
Thank you. Once again, good morning. Today we have 9 projects scheduled for TV conference for civil works. Before we proceed, let's do the roll call. Our CAP members are present today. Let's start from our chairperson of Vivian Daliga. Our two regular members, Mamimili de la Viga and Sergio Oreta. Also with us is our provisional members, Jan Lito Alusinio. Out of six CAP members are present today. Two are on official leave. Since there is still a quorum and the previous conference can now start. Thank you.
Thank you, Ray. Now let me call on the representatives from the planning and design section to discuss the different aspects of these projects for today.
Good morning, everyone. For the project 23GA0214, construction of level 2 water system, Barangay Pudiot, Tangalan, Aklan, with the ABC of 9,650,000. Project duration is 210 calendar days. Construction of spring box, pump house, elevator, 15 cubic meter water pump, solar panel, and pipe laying of 2,270 meters. On screen shows the location map on the location site, the elevations, the sections, the tank fitting details, and tank perspective plan. For the project 24GA0066, construction completion of multipurpose building Barangay Manhanip, Malinao, Aklan, with the ABC of 1,980,000. Project duration is 90 calendar days. Construction completion of multipurpose building, continuation of 3 units of full trusses with center, middle, and side struts, and 328.11 square meters of pre-painted metal sheet, complete with metal flashings and side gutters, painted finish, and 14 units of columns supporting the front covered walls, 2 units of steel gates, and 6 units of steel windows. The screen shows the perspective and the location maps, the floor plan, the roof plan, elevations, roof framing plan, full truss details. For the project 24GA0117, construction completion of multipurpose building, covered court, Polo Elementary School, Barangay Polo, Banga, Aklan. with the ABC of 2,970,000. Project duration 120 calendar days. The scope of works are installation of one span of roofing equivalent to 489.8 square meters of pre-painted metal sheets, rib-type long span with 2 units of full truss, 2 units of central strut beam, 12 units of middle strut beam, and 12 units of side strut beam with gutter, flashing and downspout, and additional electrical works for lightings, construction of stage, removal, demolition of existing one span of intermediate beam, and 3-tier public ditching. 0.80 meters thick embankment works, concreting works of 17.05 square meter for slab on field with floor tiles finish. 83.25 square meter of masonry works with plastering and paintings. 3 units of roof rafters for 32.65 square meter of pre-painted metal sheets rib type, long span with gutter, flashing and downspout, and complete electrical works for lightings and power. The screen shows the perspective allocation map, the floor plans, and the elevations, the roof remaining plan, and other details.
Good morning. For the project 24GA0063, construction completion of multipurpose building Barangay Lanipga, Tangalan, Aklan with ABC of 1,980,000. Project duration 90 calendar days. Scope of works include construction of 7 units of roofing and column, tie beam, intermediate beam, roof beam, wall footing, 110.16 square meters of 4-inch CHD wall, and 2 units of 2 and 3 tiers of concrete bleachers respectively. Construction of roofing and side roofing equivalent to 231 square meters of pre-painted metal sheets, complete with gutter and flashing. Plastering and painting works included. The sanitary works include 16 units of downspouts only. The electrical works include 10 units of floodlights and 5 units of convenience outlets only. Shown on screen is the perspective and location map, the floor plan and roof plan, the elevation sections, the sections and section details. For the project 24GA0085, construction completion of multipurpose building Kinalangay, Viejo, Malinao, Aklan with ABC 1,980,000. Project duration 90 calendar days. Scope of works include construction of 18 units concrete columns up to finished floor level with 1 meter vertical bars extending from finished floor line, 150 millimeters thick masonry wall up to floor tie beam, construction of floor tie beam and wall footings, embankment up to 1 meter height at common comfort rooms and playing court area, and 1.60 meters height at stage area. Shown on screen are perspectives, location map, and vicinity map. The ground floor plan, second floor plan, the elevations, sections, foundation plans. For the project 24GA0138, construction, concreting of Barangay Road, Barangay Poblacion to Sitio, Taghangin, Barangay Poblacion, Libacao, Aklan, with ABC of 4,950,000. Project duration 65 calendar days. Scope of works include construction of road, includes concreting and removal of PCCP, construction of slope protection and cross drainage, total length of 0.7 lane kilometers, 4 meters width of PCCP, shoulder width of 1 meter. Shown on screen are location map, topographic layout, and vicinity map. The detailed plan of PCCP, the typical road section A and typical road section B. Good morning, everyone. For Project 24 GA 0141, construction of MPB in Libacao, Aklan, with ABC of 4,999,500. Scope of work are in Barangay Poblacion, Libacao, Aklan, construction of 12 units of column and footing, 10 units of roof beam, 5 spans of roofing equivalent to 605 square meter of pre-painted metal sheets with 7 units of full truss, 6 units of center strap beam, 12 units of middle strap beam, and 12 units of side strap beam. Cement floor finish with floor hardener and rubberized paint, gutter flushing, plastering, and painting works. On screen, show the perspective and location map, the floor plan and front elevation, left and right elevation, and section 2 foundation plan, and column footing detail. For Project 24 GA 0145, construction completion of MPB, Sitio Tuan, Barangay Oyang, Libacao, Aklan, with ABC of 2,970,000. Scope of work are construction of 5 spans of roofing equivalent to 594 square meter of pre-painted metal sheets with 6 units of full truss, 5 units of center strut beam, 10 units of middle strut beam, and 10 units of side strut beam. Cement floor finish with floor hardener and rubberized paint, and painting works for steel. On screen, show the perspective and location map, the floor plan, multi-purpose front elevation and left side elevation, the roof framing plan, and the truss details. For Project 24 GA 0160, Jaime Cardinal Sin Avenue K 0293 to K 0294 332.45 with ABC of 22,366,956.50. Scope of work, widening of road, K 0293 600 to K0294 332.45 with a length of 1.465 lane kilometer, width of 3.65 meter B over S, thickness of 0.30 meter, of carriageway of 1.50 meter B over S, and thickness of 0.25 meter. On screen, show the location map, vicinity map, and layout plan. Summary of quantities. The typical road section 1 and 2. That's all, thank you.
Thank you. Please inform the deadline of the submission of bids will be on or before 10 a.m. of January 25, 2024. Opening of bids will be on the same day immediately after the deadline of submission of bids. Prospective bidders should be registered with and classified in the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board with pickup license category of C and D for small b. Only the following documents are required from prospective bidders prior the sale of bidding documents. Company ID or any government issued ID, authorization letter, special power of attorney for sole proprietorship, or board resolution, board partnership, joint venture resolution. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from January 5, 2024 to January 25, 2024 from the Back Secretariat, Aklan DEO. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or Pudiot and the website of the procuring entity, provided that bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the following bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. The DPWA's Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo Aklan, reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 41 of RA 9184 and its IRR, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. Any clarifications or suggestions? Since none, the pre-bid conference for this morning is hereby adjourned. Thank you.